The RioPro printer by Ultra Electronics Card Systems is a powerful tool for creating ID badges. To keep your RioPro working properly, you should clean the printer every time you change the die film ribbon. To do this, you will need your RioPro turned on, a new cleaning card and cleaning pen, as well as the new blue sticky roller that comes in every package of die film. First, remove the card hopper and open the printer to remove the die film ribbon and the blue sticky roller underneath it. Remove the metal bar from this blue roller and set it aside in a safe place. Use the menu on the front of the printer and navigate to the Clean Rollers option. Use the keys to work through the guidance messages, ensuring your printer is ready for cleaning. Open the pouch containing the new cleaning card and remove the card. Select Yes on the printer and insert the small end of the cleaning card into the slot on the front of the RioPro. While the card is in the printer, deposits left by the printing process are being removed with the alcohol in the card. I recommend flipping the card and repeating this process at least 2 to 4 times in order to get everything really clean. The cleaning process takes only a few seconds, and when it's done, you can clearly see the result. Sometimes, the RioPro's rollers may be really dirty. In this case, you will need to manually clean them. Leave the automatic cleaning mode and select Move Card from the main menu. Fold the cleaning card in half and press it onto the main middle roller while holding down one of the Move Card buttons. Move the cleaning card back and forth for around 15 to 20 seconds. When you are done, you can clearly see the dirt and debris removed by this process. You may also wish to clean the rear intake roller. Turn the printer around and hold the upward Move Card button while pressing the cleaning card onto the rear roller for 15 to 20 seconds. Again, this cleaning process leaves a clear result. Finally, it is important to clean the printhead on the RioPro. Gently move the pen across the printhead's Teflon surface to remove any dust or residue. After cleaning, you will install a new blue sticky roller into the printer. Remove the blue roller from the die film box and insert the metal bar which you set aside earlier. Unwrap the roller and snap it into place directly above the orange roller towards the back of the unit. Remove the new roll of die film from the box and unwrap it. Place the die film into the printer exactly as shown. Gently close the lid of the printer and replace the card hopper in the back of the unit. Your RioPro is clean and ready to print.